Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to do Google Pay refer and earn and how to make money. So it's pretty simple to do. So I'll provide you a general overview of how the referral programs like Google Pay, refer and earn work and how you might make money from them. However, note that the specific program details terms can change over time, so I recommend checking the latest information on Google Pay's official website or application. So first off, the referral program overview. So like Google Pay's Refer and Earn are designed to encourage users to invite their friends and family to join and use the platform. When a current user refers a new user who signs up and performs certain actions, both the referrer and the user can receive rewards. So actually, the second thing you have to do is sign up and log in. So you have to be registered in Google Pay's app to participate in the referral program. And the second step is you have to open the Google Pay application and look for Refer and Earn section. This is usually found in the settings or menu of the app. I can't really show you because it's not available in the iOS. So I'm gonna just show you some pictures of how it would look like. So third step is generating a referral link. So in the section, you'll likely find a unique referral link that you can share with your friends. So this is essential for tracking who you referred to and other things like that. So the fifth step is new user sign up and actions. So basically, when someone uses your referral link to download and install the Google Pay app, you'll need to sign up using your referral code. So when they install the Google Pay app, you must give them your referral code so that you will receive the referral reward bonus. And as you can see here, an example like this is you'll get $21 in referral bonus. So while supplies last, of course, terms and conditions apply. So when you invite friends and they spend $10+, you'll have a $21 referral bonus. And there's also expiration date. So you invite friends, copy link, and so on and so forth. So after that, the next step is actually reward distribution. So once the new user meets the requirements, both you and the referrer and the new user will receive the designated rewards. So these rewards could include cashback, discount coupons, and other incentives. So the third is also earning money. So in the context of a referral program like Google Pay's Refer and Earn, the primary way to make money is through the rewards you receive for successfully referring the new users. So these rewards are typically provided in the form of a cashback or other monetary incentives which you can use for future transactions or even to transfer in your bank account. So this is what it would look like, the referral bonus. So there's 21 referral bonus with each of your next 10 successful referrals. So as you can see here, both of you and your friend must be opted into Google Pay rewards to be eligible, or else it won't work. So next is your friend must be new to Google Pay and must not have accepted any previous referrals, since it would not be valid. So both of you and your friend get $21 each. So it's a win-win for both of you. So each when they take the sign up and with your referral code and make their first qualifying payment by the targeted date. This includes sending money to a friend they haven't paid before or making a contactless payment in store. So those are the things. So the things to consider when using this in Google Pay to make money is actually its terms and conditions. So you must read the terms and conditions and make sure you understand the term and conditions of the referral program, including the eligibility criteria and rewards and conditions. So the program also changes, so I'm not really sure how it really works now in today's date. So just keep in mind that the referral program can change over time. So what's true today might not be same in the future. So you must also do some ethical considerations. So while the referral programs can be a way to earn rewards, it's important to share your referral link in an ethical and respectful manner, so that don't spam or deceive others. So you must remember, while referral programs can provide you with some additional benefits, they're not typically a sustainable source of long-term income. So just make this your sideline or something like that. So it's more about leveraging your network to enjoy discounts, rewards, or cashbacks on the service you're already using. So there you go, guys. So as you can see here guys, this is the Google Pay's referral promotion terms and conditions. So it's open to UK residents age 16 plus, and promotion closes on 14 May 2018. And a £10 Google Play credit earned by the referrer, and the invite when they get an invitee. So for its introduction, by participating in the Google Pay referral program, the promotion either a referrer or the invitee as defined in section 4, you can just go to Google Pay and search it there. And you must be age 16 over to participate in this promotion, and you must be a resident of the United Kingdom. So if you're living there, you can be a part of this. So the promotion period, there's also closing dates, you must check it out, and you must be up to date if it's valid still. So for its referral rewards, it consists of a £10 Google Pay Play credit, and see section 7-8 on how to save and redeem a referral reward. You can check it out on Google Pay's support page. So the referral rewards are strictly subject to availability and the refer and invitee eligibility. So the referrers are those who have installed the Google Pay app, and the Google Pay app must be updated to Google Pay always. So they should always be a qualifying payment as defined in section 6. You can also look at that. So for the invitees, the inviters are supposed to be unique users who have never carried out a qualifying payment before. So using Google Pay or Android Pay, so you install and open the Google Pay app and apply a code. And within the Google Pay app during the promotion period, they should not have done anything referral wise before, or else it won't be valid. So for the promotion here, as you can see, each Google Pay user will be provided with a unique referral code, and which they can share with their invitees. So it's really up to you how do you promote this in Google Pay. And the subject to subjections, as you can see here below, if an invitee correctly follows the steps and set out in section 5, you can check it out, and both the invitee and the referrer will receive a referral reward. So those are just the things right here that you can read. Since the delivery and saving referral rewards, you can read it here also. So you must be also familiar on how to redeem the referral rewards that you have done. So there's also technical requirements. So I assume everyone really has a phone that's above Lollipop 5.0 Android device. So this is not compatible with your iOS devices, unfortunately. So you must have a Android device only for this. So internet access is on a compatible devices required for Google Pay and Google Play for this to work. There are also some other important information right here that you can check out. So you must go check it out in Google Pay's website. And there's a terms and conditions for other countries, and it applies as the same thing. And there you go guys. So basically guys, that's how you do Google Pay refer, and that's how you earn money off it. If you like this video, see you again next time guys.